Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we'll be working on my 2015 Chevy Silverado. We'll be swapping out these ugly amber lights of a fog lights down below. We're going to be swapping them out for this lovely here LED fog lights, B3F from Auxito. Part number is right there, H16 5202 or 5201. We're going to be opening up the box, taking a look at these LED bulbs. We got to match the tops, of course. That just does not look right. The tops are from Auxito as well. I'll put everything in the description below if you guys are interested in these bulbs. The nice thing about this, you'll get 15% off if you use my code to get these bulbs. Stay tuned. Okay, let's see what comes in the Auxito box here. The B3F. We got the H16 bulbs. Let's see what we got inside. Kind of a first unboxing scene here. Look at that. Nice, lovely LED bulbs. Awesome. Yeah, looks like that's all we got. So it's plug and play. So we'll be swapping out the bulbs on the Silverado, the fog light bulbs, for these guys right here. Kind of see it before and after. And we got, these are the H16 bulbs made by Auxito, B3F. Sweet. All right, so kind of a little bit of a walkthrough here. I'll have everything in the description for you guys. Starting off with the driver's side here, we got the wheel turned just to give us a little bit more room to get access to the fog light, which is right over here. There are 3 T15 Torx screws. Got to unloosen or take them off. Then you'll be able to access the fog light right through the fender liner here. Pretty simple. We got the bulb right here. This is the bulb. Basically, got to pinch these tabs right here, and this should just pull right out. And then the connector has a little tab itself, which will pull out as well. You can already tell the difference between Auxito LED, which is an H16 bulb, 5202, simple plug and play. I'll show you guys this plugged in and everything. Look at that. Wow. Show you guys a little close up here. As you guys can see, bend the fender liner back. Let me see if I can get in there. Right there. Got the fog light. Try to get it focused for you guys. Boom. All right. Got the connector right there. Just snaps in. The LED bulb just clicks in into the housing. That's it. We're ready to roll. I'll show you guys a nice difference here. All right. Going to show you a difference here. Of course, it's daytime out, so probably won't be able to tell much of a difference. Those are fog lights on, headlights on. Should be able to see a difference here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. This is going to look so nice at night. And that concludes today's video in replacing our fog lights with the Auxito B3F bulbs. These were H16 bulbs. I'll have a link in the description for you guys with a 15% off. If you guys purchase bulbs, enter the code. Everything will be in the link below in the description. Be sure to check it out. They sell many other bulbs, not only for Silverados, but very simple mod, 3 volts T15s. Should give them a try. Thank you.